Hello, my friends. Okay, what I need you to do is I need you to take a moment, sit down, put your feet up if you want to, because I have 3 products today that I cannot wait to share with you, because not only are you going to use them pretty much all the time, but the third one I'm going to show you is like, okay? But the second one I'm going to show you is one of those that it's a basic. It's one of the basics that we have not done yet, that I'm a little embarrassed we haven't done yet. And so now we're doing it. Somebody mentioned it one time in a video and I'm like, oh, of course we have that. And I went back and looked and we didn't. And how embarrassing. It's a basic. It's one of those must-haves. So it's kind of embarrassing, but I'm getting it fixed right now. So let's jump in. The first one we're going to look at, and I know it doesn't look like anything here, so I'm going to show it to you for real right here on a candle. Okay, so the candle is a Slimline fold that we came out with a long time ago. It's on our website if you don't have it. But look at the happy birthday. It is our Stand and Say series, and I know you guys love them so much because we have all these fun sayings that are vertical. And you can't find vertical very often. They're perfect for the side of a gatefold card, on a cute little candle, you name it, they're perfect. And this one is a must-have. Happy birthday, right? I have lots more samples to show you, and hang on. Number 2, this is the basic one I was telling you about that I was so embarrassed we didn't have. So now we have it. Whew! Oh my goodness. It is the Mini Slimline Deckle Edge card. Now, I really am like stunned we didn't have this already, and I'm just stunned. So here it is. It is the Deckle Edge Mini Slimline. What does it look like when it's done? Here it is. It comes with the layering die, of course, but look at how awesome this is. It's so beautiful. I love it. Look how cute this is, adding our cute little heart bookmark up at the top. You're going to love this one too. It's one of those basics you have to have, right? Now, this one, you guys, I know you loved that butterfly edge as much as I did. So there is another one. This one has been years in the making because I could not get it right. I would go back, I would work on it, then I'd get the samples, and I'm like, nope. And then I'd work on it, tweak it, and I'd leave it alone for a while, and then I'd come back to it. I mean, we're talking, you guys know I move a lot. We're talking like this is 3 houses ago I was working on this, okay? That's how often. Here we go. It is, oh my goodness. It's called the A2 Floral Edge. But look at this flower, okay? Now, I know it doesn't look like much there, but let me show it to you on this. Look at that flower. It's like mind-blowing to me. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to show you samples. Hang on. Live life in full bloom. You are beautiful. And what's this one say? Thank you so much. Those two fit perfectly right here. A mini flower also. Now, let me show you one of the samples, and then we're going to go look at everything else, and then I'll bring more samples. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. First of all, look at that flower on my shirt so you can really see it. Look at how intricately beautiful it is. All those little lines. You guys, you have no idea how excited I am to finally bring this one to you. I'm talking years, because I couldn't get it exactly the way I wanted it. Now it's finally there. Live life in full bloom. You are getting those dies, and then you are beautiful. You're getting that also. Notice how it hides that you are beautiful, and then it shows. Isn't that awesome? You are also getting this yellow, the layering die that cuts the yellow. So isn't that perfect? Now, let's rewind a little tiny bit. Let's look at our Deckle Edge card. Mini Slimline, happy birthday. Mini Slimlines are fun because sometimes you don't want a big slimline, but you want a different shape than the standard A2 card size, right? Ooh, use our lavish long stems on here. Look how gorgeous that is. This is our reverse corner stitched, and look how pretty that is. Oh, goodness gracious. Now, on all my samples, my friends, I need you to know I kind of go a little fast. I understand. The best part, though, is all of these samples and tons more are on our website. You go to this product on our website. Go to the Mini Deckle Edge product. There is a button on there that says View Idea Gallery. I want you to click on that. All of these ideas I'm showing you and tons more using the Mini Deckle Edge Slimline will pop up. and you'll get to see all of them. You can print them out, you can save them, you can make them your favorite so you can go back to them. So awesome, okay? Go check out our gallery. Every item has a gallery. Well, I mean, the fabric boxes don't, but you know what I mean. Anything creative. Look at the cute little butterflies in the background. Mini Deckle edge. There's our cute little koala. You know, I love that koala. Here's our stand and say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Look at that. Love that. Isn't that pretty? Perfect on a mini slimline. Or perfect on a bookmark. There's our cute little bookmark. Happy birthday. Love it. Or on an A2 card. Look at this. Happy birthday. You can break it up. It doesn't have to be together. You can break it up. So it does come with the shadow die, but it also can be done separately. Now, let's look at more flowers. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Okay, here we go. You are beautiful. Those little flowers do come in the set. They do come in the set. Look at how intricate that flower is. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at how intricate that flower is. Oh gosh. Here's another one. Oh, look at it, it's a sunflower. Boom, it's a sunflower. It wasn't a sunflower 10 seconds ago, but now it is. Look at that. And then look, keeping those extra pieces. So all the pieces that die cut from this flower, you can put right there. You just glue them in and look. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that gorgeous? And the flower stays. What? I know. Love it. Okay, here's another one. Same idea, but with stenciling. Isn't that pretty? Open it up. There's that cute little flower. You guys, you're going to have so much fun with this one. I'm in love with this one. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. The first 24 hours these are on our website, guess what? Yep, they're on flash sale. So if you're a club member, you also get the flash sale discount. So you're getting 2 discounts. Plus you're earning club points. So really that's kind of like 3 discounts because the club discount the club points you're earning can be used towards future purchases. If you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. You need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Just go watch the club videos, click on join the club, and just watch that video. It's going to explain all the cool things and all the awesome things that we do and the community that we have and the clubs that we have, the discounts you get, the goodies, the freebies, all of that. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just check it out. The hardest part's going to be deciding which club to join. Some of you are in all of them. Oh my goodness. They're Diamond Club members, also known as lifers. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. I love you. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.